Hello and welcome. Today we are learning the verb to be. In this lesson, will help you build your first English sentences. Verb to be. Am, is, are. The verb to be is one of the most important and frequently used verbs in the English language. It corresponds to be, verbs to be, to exist. In the present tense, to be has three forms: am, is, are. In other languages, the verbs to be is often omitted in the present tense. For example, I am a student. But in English, it is an obligatory element of the sentence. Forms of the verb to be in the present tense. I am a student. He is a doctor. She is happy. It is a book. You are smart. We are friends. They're at home. Using the verb to be. We use it to be describe status, profession, nationality, age, feeling, and more. I am tired. She is a teacher. He is Ukrainian. They are 25 years old. We are hungry. We also use it to indicate location. The book is on the table. My parents are in the garden. I am at home. It is also used in the present continuous tense. I am reading a book now. They are playing football. Affirmative sentences. Subject plus am, is, or are plus complement. I am a student. He is tall. We are in the park. Contractions. I am because I'm. He is becomes his. She is becomes she's. It is become its. Your becomes your. We are becomes were. They are becomes their. Examples. I'm happy. She's a doctor. They're at school. Negative sentences. Add not after am, is, or are. I'm not a student. He is not football. We are not in the park. Shortened forms. Is not becomes isn't. Are not becomes aren't. Am not becomes am not. Examples. I'm not sad. He isn't a doctor. They aren't at home. Interrogative synthesis. Move am, is, or are to be beginning. Am I right? Is she a student? Are you busy? Short answers. Yes, she is. No, he isn't. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Practical tips. Remember which form matches each pronoun. Practice daily. Make sentences about yourself and your friends. Listen and repeat. Mastering the verb to be is the first and most important step in learning English grammar. It helps you build simple but meaningful sentences. Good luck with your studies. Thank you for watching. See you next time.